How to promote Clickbank affiliate marketing offers on TikTok. Firstly, come on to clickbank.com. So guys, when you come on to clickbank.com, over here you will see this dashboard in front of you. So from over here, what I want you to do is that click on sign up from the top right, and then after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then that is going to take you over to Clickbank's sign up page. So once you come on over here on Clickbank's sign up page, from over here you can simply sign up by putting in your first name, last name, phone number, email address, password, and then simply signing up for absolutely free using Clickbank. Now once you do that, after that you can simply move on to the post to sign up process. So when you sign up, you will see this dashboard in front of you. From over here, simply what I want you to do is that click on marketplace from the top right, and then once you click on marketplace, that is going to take you over to another page. So now from over here, you will basically be able to see from the left side all the categories that are available in this particular genre, all the categories that are available on Clickbank. So we have betting systems, business investing, computer/internet, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, and so many more products. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to click on health and fitness. So once you click on health and fitness, that is going to take you over to this particular page. So now from over here, you can basically see all the different offers that are available on Clickbank for you to promote right now. You have a lot of different things that you have to be on the lookout for when you are basically doing your product hunting, while you are finding that perfect offer that is going to get you a lot of clicks. So for that, what you need to do essentially is simply take a look at the bottom of every single product. So like at the bottom of this particular product, we can see that we have the stats, we have the recurring rebill. So the stats basically shows you the initial conversion. The initial conversion is how much money you will make whenever a person signs up for the first time on this particular product. So like for the first time, you will make $140 per person. For the second time in the recurring rebill, you will make $34 per month, every single month on autopilot if a person buys this product for the first time. After that, you have the graph score. So the graph is basically an indicator as to how good a particular product is. So like the higher the graph, the better it is. The lower the graph, the better it gets. So after that, you can even see the categories. So like in the categories, you can essentially see what this particular product is about, what category it falls into. So that way you can basically better target your whole niche. So now from over here, you have to basically just look around and find the perfect offer. So like this first offer is really nice, and this is gonna like basically pay me $141 if I were to get sales. But the second offer is gonna pay me $174. So like this looks better, but the thing is, will this be hard to sell, or like will this be easy to sell? You have to ask yourself these questions. Like the offer that is gonna be easy to sell should be your go-to offer. You should always prioritize offers which you can sell really easily, even if the money is less as compared to any other offers. Then from the left side, you can also specify exactly what type of offers you want. So like there are just so many options over here. You can even filter offers by your language, by your billing info, by your required attributes, and like so many more options. And then also you can always expand upon more products. So like let's say you don't like the health and fitness niche, you can always go into a different niche like the spirituality, new age, and alternate belief niche, or like any niche in general. So like the offers are always there and the potential is always there. So you can definitely go about these things however you want to and however you want to expand. So like once you have done this, once you have found your offer, so like for example, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna basically pick that particular offer. So like once you have found your particular offer, what I want you to do is simply click on promote, and then after that simply click on generate hop links from over here, and then simply copy this hop link, which is basically another way of saying an affiliate link. So once you have your hop link, what I want you to do is simply open up a new tab, paste that particular affiliate link over here. So once you paste that over here, after that you will be able to see your landing page in front of you. So like once you see your landing page in front of you, you can basically see how will it look like, how will other people react to it, and how will it work in general. So like over here we can see how it looks like. So like for now it looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna click to reveal your numbers, and then let's see what it says. So like now it says 5 4 3 2 1, I guess. So like over here I can see my numbers and stuff. So like the animations are nice, the overall text is nice, so definitely very nice. I can recommend this. So now I'm gonna come back. Now I find my product, and now I know it is gonna pay me like quite some money as well. So I'm gonna simply now go to TikTok. So once you come on to TikTok, you can simply type in over here weight loss. So like once you type in weight loss, you will essentially be able to see all the pages in the weight loss section. So like now you can see pages in the weight loss section. So I'm going to open up this weight loss and recipes pages. So like once I open up this weight loss and recipes pages, then I can see all the offers that are present in the weight loss and recipes page. So like what this person is doing is that this person is literally just like, joining videos from like making them in his home and then simply adding text and stuff. And now voila, he has videos. So he is getting like 2500 likes and like a lot of comments. So what you can do is that you can make similar videos but in a different way. You can add stock images which you can basically get from google.com or from pexels.com. So like you can literally get any image from pexels.com. You can literally type in toast over here and you will get a lot of different images. So like I'm gonna do that right now in front of you, and now over here you can see that we have a lot of different videos in front of us. So like essentially that is basically how it works, and that is how you can like basically get started. Now how are you gonna make a video out of this? So to make a video, what you can do is that you can simply open up a new tab and you can simply type in over here InShot. So once you type in InShot over here, you will see this video editor come up. So like this is the video editor that you can essentially use for yourself. So we have this particular application for the Android phones out there. So like it is going to take a second to load up, but like this is the application for the Android phones. And then similarly, we have that same application for the iOS users out there as well. This is really, really easy to work with, and you can simply grab stock images, add text, add some music as well from your library, and then simply upload over here on your very own page. And then in the description, what you can do is that you can simply put in your affiliate link that you got from over here. So like that is how you can actually drive traffic, like a lot of free traffic towards your affiliate link. So like that is how it works, and that is how you can get started using Clickbank. So after that, now let's say you want to like expand your earnings. So for that, what you can do is you can simply open up youtube.com, and then once you open up youtube.com, simply type in the search bar weight loss. So once you type in weight loss, after that, wait for a couple of seconds and you will see all these different videos come up. So now click on filters, click on Creative Commons. So all of these videos that are coming up right now, all of these are copyright free. So what you can do is you can simply like, download any one of these videos using YouTube HD downloader and then simply re-upload them on your own channel and paste this affiliate link in the description and have people buy it. Or like maybe like put in a text as well, basically telling people to like check out your exclusive product in the description, and that will surely get you a lot of clicks and a lot of sales. And guys, again, one last time, if you find this video useful and if you actually found what you were looking for, guys, make sure to like share it with anybody who might need to learn about similar stuff or who might need to learn about this particular platform as well, or someone who might need to learn about this comparison. So like definitely do that. It might make someone stay, and also stay happy, stay safe. So like that is basically the video, guys. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.